Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish. Stuffed crab is a quintessential dish, a perfect combination of luxurious appearance and wonderful taste. How to make. Prepare ingredients: fresh sea crabs, 3 about 1.1 kilograms. Minced pork, 250 grams. Fresh shrimp, 200 grams. Wood ear mushrooms, 4 large ears. Vermicelli, cellophane noodles 1 small bunch. Chicken eggs, 2 onion, 1 bulb. Shallots, garlic, 4 bulbs. Coriander, lettuce as desired. Seasoning, fish sauce, sugar, seasoning powder, ground pepper, cooking oil. Steps to make. Wash the crab. Use a sharp knife to stab the shell to stop the crab from moving. Steam the crab for about 15 minutes. After the crab has cooled, separate the shell and body. Remove the crab meat from the body and keep the crab claws. Keep the crab fat separately. Wash the crab shells to prepare for stuffing. Peel the fresh shrimp, remove the head, remove the black vein, and chop finely. Soak the black fungus and vermicelli until soft, wash, and cut into strips or chop finely. Peel the onion and chop finely. Put the ground pork, minced shrimp, crab meat, black fungus, vermicelli, eggs, and onions in a large bowl. Seasoning: 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon seasoning powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground pepper. Mix all the ingredients and spices well to make the filling soft and absorbent. Brush a thin layer of cooking oil inside the cleaned crab shells. Stuff the crab shells with the filling. Use a spoon to gently flatten and tighten the filling. Spread the crab fat on the surface of the filling to increase the color and fat content. Place the stuffed crab in a steamer and steam for about 12 minutes until the filling is fully cooked. Present the stuffed crab on a plate with lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and cilantro. This dish is best served hot, dipped in chili sauce, mayonnaise, or lemon pepper salt depending on your preference. Things to note: crab quality, choose fresh and firm crab. If you choose crab with roe, the roe will make the filling richer and more beautiful in color. Mixing the filling. When mixing the filling, you can add a little cooking oil to make the filling soft and shiny, not dry when steamed or baked. Chicken eggs. The egg yolk helps the stuffed filling have a beautiful yellow color after steaming or baking. You just need to use the yolk to brush on the surface of the filling before processing. Stickiness. If the filling is too runny, you can add a little cornstarch or minced pork to increase the stickiness. Stuffed crab is a delicate and elaborate dish, often appearing in luxurious parties or special occasions. This dish uses the entire crab shell as its shell. Inside is the filling made from minced meat, fresh shrimp, black fungus, and rich spices. After stuffing, the crab will be steamed or grilled until golden brown, creating a perfect combination of the sweetness of the crab meat, the fatty taste of the filling, and the crispy aroma of the outer shell. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Goodbye and wish you a cozy and delicious meal. See you again in the next delicious food sharing video.